Hi, the ice cream truck. I'm on this keto diet. I can't handle ice cream. Hey guys, this is Kel and I am back with another video for y'all, okay? Alright, now the wig that I have for you guys today is model or model, however. It's, you watch everybody's video and they say everything different, so whatever. model, deep invisible L-part lace front wig, Blue Meadow. I've been waiting for Blue Meadow forever. Like forever, I've been waiting for Blue Meadow because everybody rocked Blue Meadow and I loved it on everybody, so I couldn't wait. So yes, of course it comes in all these great colors. It is safe up to 400 degrees. And this dark purple she got in her head is gorgeous. Now most likely I'm gonna end up showing it on the side, so I can't wait to put it on. So, and this is Yaki Perm, so if anybody want to see that video, I will link it in the description box. So, all right, I'll be right back to put this wig on because I can't wait, y'all. Okay, you guys, I am back with Blue Meadow. Okay, now this wig seemed like I had to work a little bit harder to fix it. I mean, okay, she is a slight Yaki texture. A lot of other wigs that I seen when I watched the videos, they looked like a coarser Yaki, kind of like that Perm Yaki wig that I just had on. But this one to me is like a light Yaki. It's not really as big as I thought it was going to be, or as coarse as I thought it was going to be. I do like the wig. It's really pretty, but can I say that I'm a little disappointed? I'm going to say that. I had a lot of expectations for this wig, and I thought it was going to be bomb. And I was, just like I said in the beginning of the video before I took it out, I was like, yes, y'all, I've been waiting for Blue Meadow, and like, I got Blue Meadow, and she looked like all the other ones, which she looked like all the other ones when everybody tried her on, but I don't know. I had like high expectations for this wig, and I don't really know why. I am getting a little bit of shedding, not that much, but it's a few strands that just came out just now. All in all, she is beautiful though. Like, that bang is everything. Like, that bang action. And she has a lot of body. She is long. She's about 20 to 22 inches. Yo, this little sticky lip gloss stuff from Too Faced, I don't like. All the wigs are sticking to it, but it's pretty. So this is a really pretty wig. I'm not getting any tangling right now. I mean, this hair is really, really long. So it is going to tangle. It is going to mat. Just so you know, it's a synthetic unit. That is what they do. So for y'all to have high expectations for these synthetic units be killing me. I be like, bruh, you paid $20 for this wig. You expect it wasn't gonna tangle? You expect it wasn't gonna shed? But anyways, I think it's pretty though. And I think you're gonna have a lot of fun in this wig. I think it's really pretty. But I can't say it didn't hit me at first like I really thought it was going to. Like how I seen it when I seen it on Hearts and Cupcakes. I was like, yes, you better work it. And then it was like, I got it, and I'm like, yeah. It's cool though. I do like it. So I will put all of the details to this wig in the description box. That show y'all the part? Look at that part. Okay. And let's see what it look like in the middle. That's a cute in the middle. Let me see. It's a cute in the middle. I mean, it's a straight part, so it might look better than all the other ones in the middle. This the middle. But all in all, this wig is just this wig. It's like, okay. I thought it was gonna be a little better, and it's not. But I will put all of the details in the description box like I was saying before. I will put the wig I was wearing at first in the description box so you guys can see that video if you so care, please. I would like for you all to subscribe, like, comment if you like the wig. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future. If not, okay, cool. But I do appreciate you watching this video. So I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.